If you want to type Hebrew or Yiddish on your computer using any program like Word or even Notepad, your first step is to activate it in your computer keyboard settings, which I'm not going to address in this video. Maybe if there's a demand, I'll do a separate video on that. What I want to address in this video is everything you need to know about typing Hebrew, Yiddish, or even Arabic in Photoshop. So the two most common questions I get is, number one, how do I type from right to left in Photoshop like Hebrew and Yiddish? And number two, why do characters like commas and quotes sometimes run to the opposite side when typing? Don't worry, there's an easy fix, and it's quite simple once you know which settings to use. So let me show you. Let's grab the type tool and type a word in English. Let me think of an easy word. Mitzvah. Okay, now I'm changing my language to Hebrew and typing mitzvah. As you can see, depending on the language that we type, Photoshop adjusts the direction automatically. And when I start typing in Hebrew, the direction also changed. Let me switch back to English and type a full paragraph now. Watch what happens as I type. See how the punctuation runs to the opposite side? Look at the question mark. Why is it not at the end of my paragraph? So let me explain. Since commas and question marks are used in both Hebrew and English text, Photoshop gets confused sometimes and it doesn't know which direction you want to go. That's where Middle Eastern option comes in. So go up to Window, Paragraph to open up the Paragraph panel. If you see these icons, that means the Middle Eastern is enabled. If you don't see these icons, then we need to activate it. To do that, go up to Type, Language Options, and enable Middle Eastern features. Okay, once the Middle Eastern features is enabled, you'll see the paragraph direction icons in the paragraph panel. With these icons, you basically tell Photoshop which direction you want the paragraph to go. So as you can see, the right to left icon is now active, and that's why all the special characters ran to the left and the question mark is here. Let's fix that. See? Leave the icon left to right and type some more. Look, it's all good. Now let's change the language to Hebrew. And let me type perfection. That's all it is. Simple, right? There's one other setting that I want to show you, which you rarely have to use, but sometimes we have two languages within the same paragraph, like this. You might run into a problem where you want to control one of the words or one character. Let's say I want this exclamation point here and not here. The directional icons are not going to help because they only work on complete paragraphs and they don't work on just single characters. So in that case, go up to Type, Character, go down the drop-down menu and focus on the last three lines. This is where you can control a single character or characters within a paragraph. So default direction is the option that lets Photoshop decide the direction. And Photoshop is smart, so it works in most cases. However, when it doesn't, just select that space or character that you want to change and change it from default to the direction that you want. I hope this video clarifies it for you.